What's up, guys? It's your boy Mr. Rockoff Johnson here with another video. How you guys feeling today? Real quick before we go ahead in this video, let's push our problems to the side and just have some fun. So, in case you can't tell from the title of this video, today we are doing an unboxing. It's of course in here because I haven't unwrapped it yet, of an auto knife. Now it's a double action automatic knife. Of course we're going to go into everything with the knife in this video and whatnot, so I'm not going to necessarily say anything right now. But what made me buy this was because I posted a short of a friend of mine's auto knife that he had, and it got a lot of views. People wanted to know about it and all that kind of stuff and wanted the link, so I figured why not do an unboxing video and throw the link down there. So the link is under the merch, so make sure you check out the merch, of course. But if you want the knife, it's linked down below. Off the top of my head, I believe it was about like basically 40 bucks. It was like $35. Well, maybe it was more so $35. I did get off of Amazon. It is different from the one that was in the short. So yeah, with that being said, that's all I'm gonna say, and now we're gonna go ahead and get into the unboxing. Alright, and just because, in case you can't tell if you're not familiar with my videos, that is my friend Snake Tank right there. Jafar is a OG banana ball python. He is in there, just, you know, sleeping, chilling out. I just wanted to open this right here just to give it a little bit of a mood, but yeah, don't mind that. This is Bree walking in the background. Say hi, Bree.
Hi, Bree. Tacos.
But yeah, of course, this is the package it comes in. I of course blurred out all of my information. This is the box, and as you guys saw, I didn't open it. That's how it comes. Wow. Tacknives product review program. Oh. Okay. Don't use my coupon code, guys. Or maybe you guys can use it. Oh, what? It comes with a sheet? What? Okay, this is actually unexpected. I didn't know it came with all this. So of course here are just some product stuff, and I guess like the instructions, but you know, I'm a man. We don't ask for directions, and we don't use instructions. But yeah, oh, look at that. Got the buckle there. That comes off. Looks like the knife. This is the actual knife here. It's wrapped in plastic. And you do have, oh, that's nice. And you do have a couple options when it comes to these. I opted for the double blade, which is why mine's cost more. Because usually they go for like 25, 30 bucks, but mine costs a little more. And of course, this is the switch right here. I already know how it works, so we're gonna go ahead and do it for the first time. Oh, that's smooth. Nice. See, I've got that can focus. There we go. I've got the blade on that side, and then I got the serrated edge on the other side. I just have a thing for knives with serrated edges, and then of course to bring it back in, yes, see where my fingers are. That's cool. Got a little thing on the back to break a window. This seems kind of thick though. I don't know if this would actually do it, because my other knives, it's way thinner, and it feels like it would do it. This doesn't feel like it would actually break glass, but what do I know? I'll test it out one day. But yeah, the tip's definitely sharp. The serrated edge is sharp, but yeah, nah, this part is dull. This part's actually dull. You could, I mean, with enough pressure, you probably could cut through it, but either way, it's dull versus like, yeah, that's sharp. And the tip, it just pokes straight through, but as you can see, I mean, you can see the difference. That's me cutting, quick little poke, that went straight through, and then a serrated edge, it cut it completely up. Oh, guess you guys didn't see that, but yeah, so whatever, but it's nice. And how they do this, the whole double action design and whatnot, or the automatic design, are with magnets. They're just magnets sliding, and you can actually feel it. That's pretty cool. And I'm not gonna do it on the table because it's not my table. But if you put pressure on it, well, that just went through the box. But obviously, Keon, duh! But if you put pressure on it, it doesn't. You guys can't even tell how much I'm putting on there, but I am really trying to slide this in. And I'm grabbing the dull side, so it's not I'm touching the serrated side, but you can't slide that in. So they're really strong magnets. Doesn't feel like you can just pull it out. Oh, maybe you can. Oh no, you can't. It doesn't go past that. It's like locking. There's something that's like locking it in. So that's good to know. Fail safe. You'll never go like this and the next thing you know it shoots across the room and pokes somebody's eye out. So that's definitely nice. But yeah. I think I'm gonna put this on my EDC for a little bit just to see how much I actually like the knife. And of course I'm gonna use this knife and do other things with this knife in this video because this is a unboxing and review. But so far as after the review, I think I'm gonna use it a little bit. But initial reactions, I mean, I like it. Obviously I can tell this part is dull, of course, like I just said, but you know, whatever. It's cool. It's like a party trick, man. I just want to, wow, just pull up to the cipher. You know what I'm saying? And just, hey, you guys want to, oh, what you splitting your lease with, your backwoods with. This is what I split mine with. It's just cool, but that's interesting. All right, well, let's keep on going with the review. All right, so I've got this dresser here that I'm not doing anything with. And I'm throwing away, but watch this. See that? Stopped it, and now it's free. It's just free moving. Doesn't work, so you gotta like get it to drop down. Then it'll work again. Oh, but I hit it, and now it just did it again. That's funny. All right, hold up. All right. There we go. There we go. So that's interesting. Try to cut this. That doesn't cut it at all. That's terrible. How does this edge do? Alright, that's easy. Yep, obviously. And oh yeah, that's in there. It's like it doesn't, well, I'm pushing it at this point, but it goes in. I stick you. Alright, but it doesn't jam back. You see that? Like how it don't jam? Yeah, it don't retract back. Oh, let's see retract. Yeah. It's just, I guess it just gets stopped when it's in motion. Interesting. Yeah. Interesting. Alright. Now, this knife. So, final thoughts on it after the review. I dropped it today. You can see right there. And now, it just doesn't want to work right anymore. I don't know what's going on. It looks like maybe it rubs, but it's not even connecting to the magnet on it inside anymore. It's just, I guess I'm gonna figure out a way to bend it out, I guess, but I mean, it wasn't a bad drop. It literally like it fell. You guys see my pocket right here. I just like went to like pull something else out of my keys. I went to pull my car keys out, and it just fell out and fell onto the ground, and now it's like this. So overall, I did like it for what it was. I can't say that this will be my new EDC kind of knife, even if it was still working, just because it just didn't, I don't know, it just didn't meet my standards completely on, you know, a knife. It is very cool though. I still do like it. Hopefully I can fix this one. If I can't fix this one, maybe I'll buy another one later on down the line just to have. But other than that, I give it like a 6 out of 10. Again, it's all the cool factor of the magnets and the ptink when you shift it out. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this. There you go. If you are not subscribed, be sure to subscribe. Make sure you get the merch. Merch link is down in the description below. And as always, guys, you stay classy, stay positive, and have a good day.